Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Ko-Fi creator login problems, payment setup errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Ko-Fi, follow these steps to troubleshoot. First, ensure you are using the correct login credentials. Double check that your email address is spelled correctly. Make sure your password is entered accurately, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Ko-Fi. If you don't see the email, look in your spam or junk folder. Once you receive the link, follow the instructions to set a new password. If you're logging in through social media, confirm that you're using the correct account. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Try accessing the site using a different web browser or device. If you still have issues, disable any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. Ensure your internet connection is stable and not experiencing issues. If you're still facing problems, visit the Ko-Fi Help Center for further assistance. Consider reaching out to Ko-Fi support directly for personalized help. Be prepared to provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. Following these steps should help you fix any Ko-Fi login problems you may encounter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.